So I'd like to demonstrate for you the Metafit app. I've got it installed on an Android phone, but you can easily install it on an iOS Apple phone as well. So I click on the Metafit icon and we go into the main menu. So here we have at the top My Workout, Video Library, Music Store and Support. So you can even go in and raise a support ticket here. Along the bottom you've got Home, Metafit, MetaPower, Video Library and your account, so you can also administer your account from here. So for today what I'm going to do is show you my workouts. So from here you can go into my workouts, and as you can see lots of workouts there that I've collected over the years, and they're all resident on my phone in the memory, so you don't need internet access to actually play them, and I can play every single purchase track or track that I've got over the years from here. So in this example I'm going to do boom slang.
Welcome to the Metafit boom slang workout.
So
Your workout will begin in 20 seconds. Round 1, 3 exercises.
So from here I can play, pause, fast forward and then take it anywhere that I want to, wherever I want to do a Metafit class. So I can do that on the beach, on a terrace, in a gym, in a hall, wherever there's space. Don't need any equipment, just need my phone, my tracks that are installed on the phone and a speaker. I use a little Bluetooth speaker. So if we go back from there and go back to the main menu, I can go into the video library. Now this actually does need internet connection. So what I tend to do before every class, I go into my account, look at the video of the relevant workout and go into my Metafit video library, and here you'll see all of the videos that will help me to give my session. So if I need to just refresh a particular move, I'll go into that video. In this case it's the boom slang workout, press play,
Okay, the Metafit boom slang workout. First exercise is the jackknife. Haven't seen it for a while. In that press up position, so body weight forward, shoulders over the hands. This was actually filmed at my gym when Justin was over. In one movement. Get the feet right.
Quite nice to see. And then we can go back to our app, and then we can go to the music store to purchase music, or we can set up a support ticket. So that's pretty much the Metafit app. Very simple to use, very convenient. Take it with you, play all your tracks. You can even on the day decide that you want a different workout depending on which clients turn up. Really versatile and a great tool.